Dog man, are you okay?
Come on, we've got to keep going.
Look,
I know you're sad. You feel like you've lost a lot. When I was a kid, I lost someone too.
my gerbil,
Colonel Kurt.
it was really hard for me. I missed his sharp, tiny teeth and his sad little beady eyes. But I learned something really important. Gerbils can be mean. And you've got to keep going.
We're going to keep going.
Oh, dog man!
Oh, wait, seriously, keep going. Seamus!
Ha-ha! At last, the final showdown! Okay, here it comes!
Dog man, no!
Buckle up!